Hi everyone. Welcome back to Joseph IT. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce an incredible tool that can save the day when it comes to recovering lost data, MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Whether it's accidental deletion, formatting, or unexpected crashes, this software is your go-to solution. And guess what? This awesome tool has some facilities compared to other software. Like simple interface, comprehensive data recovery, preview before recovery, supports multiple formats, and so on. It is designed with an intuitive interface, making it super easy to navigate, recovers data from hard drives, memory cards, USB drives, and even deleted partitions. And with the preview feature, you can check your files before recovering them, saving time and space. I've got access to the full version with a special license key to show you just how powerful this tool can be. The software is also rich with some good features like comprehensive data recovery, advanced scanning options, user-friendly interface, high compatibility. You surely can go through and read each and every to get the best out of it. Simply download from here and install the online installer. The installer is now getting the software online. Finally, it's installed. The interface you can see is showing the hard drives connected to this PC. You can also recover data from desktop, recycle bin, selected folder, and by loading manually. Honestly, I found this interface to be the most simple and easiest one. I am gonna try it. This is my 16 GB pen drive. I want to see what can this software recover from this. Simply clicking scan will start scanning the pen drive. You can see the percentage at the left bottom side. Also, the files found are the number beside that. The scan is finished. Here you can see the files found by path and type. Finally, we can save them. On free version, only a small portion can be saved. But if you want a superb and fantastic experience, you just can try the license here. They sell both personal and business solution. Depending on your need, you can surely go. I have a already purchased license key. Pasting here. And it's activated. Now I can recover or save all the files I got deleted or lost in this pen drive. This is the way you can surely try this awesome tool and can get your files if deleted or lost from any storage device. Hope you found this video useful, and check the description for more info and also for the official channel of MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.